this video, I'm working on a repair on my 20-year-old camper. I've spent the last 3 years living full-time on the road in my truck camper, and repairs are my second biggest headache in this lifestyle. Oh, perfect. The catch is, I'm not very handy, but I've bought all the tools, so let's see if I can fix this. The goal today is to fix this right here. It's coming apart, and I'm hoping that I can just unscrew this little section and then tighten it back up. It's also coming apart a little on this side. And then this needs a bolt, and I think that these bolts on the bumper just need to be tightened up. Wow, so much dirt under there. Okay. Oh, perfect. Way to break that. Alright, well, I don't have another staple. Now I'm gonna pull out my tools to lift this bumper up and hope that I can get that diamond plate pulled up a bit so that it'll fit. Let's see if this works. No. Yay! 7/16. It was like there was nothing to grab onto. So I tried the bolt next to it. I tried all of the bolts in place, and the bumper still sagged. When I tried to manually pull the bumper up, and adjust it right, I knew that this would be a bigger problem than just tightening and adding a couple bolts. Even if I fix that part, this part is still not, like, I would need to, this is just sinking down. And I think my whole bumper is like sinking down, and it needs to be, like, my whole bumper needs to be pulled up. Looking underneath it, it looks like this bumper needs to be re-bent back in place and maybe have some welded support. I think I'm just gonna put some caulking right here. I know it's not the best plan, but I'm working on what I got. I decided to call it and put everything away. Why am I doing this? Okay. I'm a little bummed that I couldn't get this project finished, and unfortunately this is just a project for another day. I think it's gonna be a bigger thing. I'm gonna have to look for solutions on how to kind of keep my bumper lifted up. Maybe the wood underneath is rotten. It feels like a big deal, and I was hoping that I was gonna be able to tighten some bolts and it was gonna be fine, but I guess that's just the life of DIYing, huh? Regardless, I'm proud of myself because from a person who doesn't have much experience with tools and is kind of figuring things out on her own, every time I try, it like builds my confidence. So that's unfortunate for the project, but at least I got my tools out and given it a shot, and I have more understanding now of what the problem could potentially be when I'm looking for solutions. So maybe this video is just about troubleshooting.